Hey guys, you need to start your computer, and as soon as Windows logo appears, turn computer off and repeat this process for twice and third. And when you will start your computer, you will get into the automatic repair screen on the screen. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. Don't worry, what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to advanced options, then click on troubleshoot, then go to advanced options and click on command prompt. On this window, we are going to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in bootrec space / fix mbr and hit enter. Then type in bootrec Vaini. Then type in bootrec space / fix boot and hit enter. You will get access denied option. To fix that issue, you can check out our description link, and if it gets access denied, don't worry, let's move to the next command. That will be sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration, how fast it is. It might take 10 to 15 minutes, or you can take 30 minutes to complete the process. Once done, type exit and simply hit enter to execute this command, to close this command prompt window. Then click on continue and your problem will be fixed. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.